Desma.
Thank you. You are here on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for resisting arrest, a Class 6 felony, and DUI is a Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm not assigning you counsel because at this time I'm not finding that you're indigent. But sir, if you find yourself without an attorney by your next court date, would you please let the next judge know that you need to be assigned an attorney?
Yep.
Okay. Sir, your next court dates are April 15th and April 17th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $5,000. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any of the victims or witnesses, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Thank you.
Next.
Terry Correa to the podium. Tori Williams to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Terry Leo Correa, 12284.
Thank you. I apologize for mispronouncing your last name.
No worries.
You are here on 2 failure to appear warrants. I'm not assigning you counsel. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date is going to be April 16th for both of your cases. That's in the downtown. Actually, no. Your next court dates are April 15th, 16th, and 17th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judges.
Your Honor, would you consider pretrial services?
That's not at this time. You've been on warrant status for the past 4 years, it looks like.
Yeah.
So I'll be affirming the bonds at this time. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So, sir, the judge is asking for a $1,000 cash bond on your first case and a $3,600 cash bond on your second case. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. And most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Tori Williams to the podium. Nikos de Giacinto Hillis to the chair, please.
WAP say thank you for the follow. How come they're hearing so late at night?
Name and date of birth, please.
Tori Williams, 3583.
Thank you. You are here today on 2 probation violation warrants. I am assigning you counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 16th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It's $1,000 secured on one and $500 secured on the other. Total of $1,500 secured for both cases. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
I did talk to my PO actually 3 days ago, and she said that as long as I make my payments and I stay contacting her, I was supposed to see her this week on Thursday, that she would make sure that the warrant stays squashed. So I don't understand why I had a warrant in the first place.
It's not your PO that quashes the warrant. It's totally up to the judge. And
Okay.
So unfortunately, your judge decided that they really
squash
want to
it?
see you. That they wouldn't do that. So the next time you'll be able to see your judge is April 16th to try to get that changed.
On the 16th?
Yeah.
Okay,
And,
what's the date today?
Today's the 9th.
Okay.
Or in the meantime, I don't know if your probation officer is willing to do it. If your probation officer talks to the judge, your probation violation judge might be able to change it between now and the 16th. They usually don't do that, though.
Okay.
So the 16th is the next time where for sure you can talk to the judge about getting that bond change.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Please step to your left.
Yeah.
So please get Nikos to the podium. John Warren to the chair, please.
What's good, Eastside Phoenix? If you will, what's up, Corn Dog? How you been?
Sir, name and date of birth, please.
Nikos Giacinto Hillis, 1290.
Thank you. You're here today on 3 failure to appear warrants. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original counsel. Your next court date is going to be
It just started.
April 15th for all 3 cases. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's $250 secured on each one, so a total of $750 secured. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, let me see, what is this for? Actually, no, sir. Yeah, that's it. You're actually not on probation. It's your Rule 11 judge. Your Rule 11 judge set a $250 bond, so total $750 secured. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. John Warren to the podium. David Ramirez to the chair, please.
No, this is not live. It's pre-recorded. I recorded it yesterday, tomorrow. This is recorded in the future, if you will.
Name and date of birth, please.
John Warren, 92384.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on a Superior Court new case and a probation violation warrant. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are April 15th and April 17th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $500. And then, sir, for your probation violation warrant, you're getting counsel. Your next court date on that is going to be April 16th in the downtown Superior Court, affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It's a secured appearance bond of $250, so total $750 secured. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 24 hours because you're on intensive probation.
I'll tell you about it
Thank
right
you.
now.
Please step to your left for your paperwork.
So I have a DeLorean. And
David Ramirez to the podium.
I have a DeLorean.
Megan Seidner to the chair, please.
If you will. And once I hit 100 miles an hour,
name and date of birth, please.
11/14/84, David Ramirez.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case and a probation violation warrant. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are April 15th and April 17th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $500, sir. And then you have your probation violation matter. Next court date is April 16th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm assigning counsel. I'm affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It's $150 secured, so total of $650 secured. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
That's a face only a mother could love right there. Straight
Megan
up.
Seidner to the podium.
Sheesh.
Alina Valdez to the chair, please.
She Gators.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Megan Seidner, 92292.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 failure to appear warrants. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 16th for both of your cases. That's in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It's $250 secured on each one, so total $500 secured. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Please step to your left for your
What are
paperwork.
those? Damn, she had chanclas.
Alina Valdez to the podium. Kyle Gossett to the chair, please.
Damn, I have to check that out, Gio. Yeah, I didn't see that.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Alina Valdez, 12/29/2002.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 16th in the downtown Superior Court for both of your warrants.
Okay.
I'm affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It is $250 secured on each one, so total $500 secured appearance bond.
Okay.
If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Okay. I just wanted to say something. When I had the warrant, when I got issued the warrant, I was incarcerated, and they issued it on the 3rd, or on the 10th of I think it was, I'm not sure, May. But I was handling misdemeanors in Florence for Mesa, and
What month were you incarcerated?
I was there for February 22nd through all the way through April 3rd, so I did 6 weeks.
Okay, because your violation started on January 17th, and so there were already violations back in January. That's why your PO wrote up your petition to revoke, and so that's why the judge set those warrants. And so you'll have to explain to the judge that you were in custody part of that time, but even before that time, your probation officer petitioned to revoke you. So I'm going to be affirming the bonds at this time. Okay.
Okay, because I didn't know. As soon as I got out, I contacted my PO, and they didn't really say anything. They just told me to come in.
Yeah, probably because they knew the warrant was out for you at that point.
Yeah, they should have said something because I didn't know. I was just trying to fix it, though.
Sure thing. And so April 16th,
Okay.
on that day, you can talk to the judge to try to get that bond lowered, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Do you know how long I'm going to be
Unless you can bond out, so today's the 9th, so it's the
Even
16th.
If I'm not able to bond out, what, do you know how long?
You're gonna be in for 7 days.
That's it, and they're gonna release me, or you don't know?
That's up to the judge. That's up to your probation violation judge. Okay? All right, thank you, ma'am. Please step to your left. Kyle Gossett to the podium. Michael Butler to the chair, please.
Hey, you never know, like a candle in the wind. Life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it slices out.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Yes, my name is Kyle Stephen Gossett. Birth date is April 20th, 1993.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 16th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge.
You, sir.
It is $250 secured appearance on each one, so a total of $500 secured appearance bond for both your cases. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Per bill was $50?
Thank you.
I also did drive out here 4 hours to self-surrender myself due to this. I have been doing probation up in the county where I reside and where I live. I was already violated on probation and taken to jail and went to court. I don't know why Maricopa County didn't violate me until right now. Is there nothing else I can do? I would like drop the bond or OR.
Yeah, actually, sir, let me go through your, I'm going to call your, I'll call your case a little bit later, okay?
If
you want to go back, I'll call your case again.
All right, yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No, so on $500, normally a bail bonds company, they won't take that. They normally...
Michael Butler to the podium. Cameron Morales to the chair, please.
It normally has to be $1,000 unless they hook you up. Court this late? What the what? Could it be? Does crime stop?
Michael, no. No? Oh, sorry. Michael Butler to the podium.
Michael Butler. Is this pre-recorded? Is this actually happening right now? Nah, it can't be happening right. It's already freaking 11:20 something in the night. Might be even
Cameron Morales to the chair.
2 o'clock if you're on the East Coast, if you will. Crime never stops.
Name and date of birth.
284.
Name, please.
Michael Butler.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original counsel. Your next court dates are April 15th and April 17th in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond, or affirming the secured appearance bond of $500 set by your original judge. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
Nah, this is AI generated.
Cameron Morales to the podium.
Happening right here behind me.
Stephen.
No way, no how.
Her voyage to the chair, please.
Sleeping right now.
Name and date of birth, please.
Cameron Morales, 10/29/93.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 14th. That's going to be at the Santan Justice Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the judge out there. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, and you must obey the court orders that were put out by the judge or any orders of protection that have been put out against you. If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Hi, I'm new to the channel. Hey, what's up?
And please get Stephen to the podium. O'Shea Moore to the chair, please.
Chick, I think that reads. Hey, welcome. And anybody that's new, welcome to You Have a CollectCallFrom.
Name and date of birth, please.
Stephen Casey Hurwich, October 3rd, 1984.
Thank
Arizona.
you. Sir, did you say October 3rd?
Yes, there might be a discrepancy. You might say December 10th, but that's a typo.
That's all right. Let me change that.
Damn,
October 3rd, 1984.
Yes, sir.
It kind of looks like he's missing an eye. But he's not. I'm an AZ. I can't wait
All
to
right,
see
sir.
my
You are
family
here on
member.
a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 16th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge, it's a $250 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Welcome over, Emily.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
I'm telling you, over here on White
O'Shea Moore to the podium. Gail Sage to the chair, please.
1080p. The quality is way better. If you want to see a better screen, jump on over to our YT channel, if you will.
Name and date of birth, please.
O'Shea Moore, 1/16/1998.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 14th. That's at the University Lakes Justice Court.
sir.
Affirming the bond set by the judge, it's a $100 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out,
Oh, wow.
you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Gail Sage to the podium.
Sorry for your
Keelan
loss.
Joyner to the chair, please.
What up, Sancho 3-1? We got Sancho. Anybody looking for a Sancho? We got Sancho 3-1-0. Trying to get him some more under his belt.
Name and date of birth, please.
721 Gil Sage,
Thank you. What year were you born?
1972.
Thank you. You're here on a justice court warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 14th. That's at the Santan Justice Court. Affirming the bond set by the judge out there, it's a $50 secured appearance bond. Ma'am, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, no contact with any co-defendant, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork.
Does that mean I go home?
Hey, you know what? Hey, rugs, they don't discriminate. All it takes is one time and that's it. That's your brain on rugs.
Keelan Joyner to the podium. Gregory Carpenter to the chair, please.
Don't do it.
Sir, name and date of birth, please.
Keelan Joyner, 06-2298.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not
can't see his
assigning a
face.
new counsel. You're going to go back to your original counsel. Your next court date is April 16th in the downtown Superior Court.
Can you
Affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It's a $50 cash bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons,
Somebody
drugs, or
ask me to
alcohol.
press that
Most
button.
importantly,
Ask
if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Okay.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Can you hit the
Gregory
unmute
Carpenter
button?
to the podium.
Ask me.
Antonio
Somebody ask me
Garcia to the
hit
chair,
mute-
please.
The unmute button or the X. I'm waiting for somebody to ask.
Good, how you doing?
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Gregory Carpenter, 103082.
Thank you. You are here on a justice court warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date's April 14th. That's at the Santan Justice Court. Affirming the bond set by the judge out there. It's a $50 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Hey, good morning.
Want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
And what did you say that warrant was for?
I'm sorry?
What did you say that warrant was for?
It's a justice court warrant. It's a
April 14th. What's happening April 14th?
failure to pay warrant out of Santan Justice Court. And so the warrant's $50.
Failure to pay?
Correct.
So I got proof on my phone and emails
Sir?
that I was told I could pay when I got a job, and I just started working Friday, so they didn't give me 3 days to fucking get a chance to pay.
What?
So
Hey,
you're
So
unfortunately,
you give me a chance to get to my phone, I can give you those emails.
sir, you're talking to the wrong judge. I have nothing to do with that. This is for the
Yeah,
Santan
well.
Justice Court.
Well,
So,
fuck Santan and fuck you.
all right, sir. Antonio Garcia to the podium. Kyle Gossett to the chair, please. Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Antonio Garcia, 9/14/1994.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I am assigning counsel. And sir, my plan was to release you. What, are you in custody on something else?
Trespassing.
For what? Deputy, what's this hold for?
this is Arizona. Maricopa,
Deputy, do you see what his hold is for Mr. Garcia?
That one's going to get clipped. That is definitely going to get clipped, if you will.
Waiting page 2, Superior Court.
For Superior Court or for Phoenix City Court?
Superior. Yeah, the whole reason I was arrested in the first place is because I was smoking a cigarette behind a building that's abandoned, and the Glendale police rolled up on us, and
Yeah, so sir, my intention was to release you, but here's the difficult situation. If I release you OR, but you don't get released on your trespass case, you're not going to get credit for time served on this case. And so what I'm willing to do, I'm willing to work with you. Like $10?
$10?
Do you have $10 to get out of custody? Do you have $5 to get out of custody?
$5?
I can make something happen.
A
Yeah,
I mean, you have someone to call for $5. So, because here's the thing, if you don't get released on that trespassing
Right.
charge, which I have no control over,
Right.
but I release you on this probation violation,
Right.
you won't build up credit for time served, and I don't want that to happen while you're in custody, right?
Right.
So I don't want to keep you in, but I also want to. I was going to let you go. So how about this? Or I'm gonna.
And even after, you know, all this, I do plan on going into like a rehab situation or housing.
So that's not for me. That's for your probation violation, Judge. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to...
Damn. I'll buy that for $1. Man, he's sounding like me with the stickers now.
Sir, I'm gonna give you a $5 bond. So if you can call someone to get you out, but you should wait to find out what happens with your trespass case first. Because if you set a high bond on that, you're gonna have to pay for both. Okay. So don't pay for this one right away until you find out what happens to your trespass case. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So, sir, your next court date is going to be April 16th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $5. Sir, if you bond out, now hopefully you can, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have new paperwork there. Go ahead and grab that, and then you can go ahead and step to your left.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Sure. Kyle Gossett to the podium.
Cody.
Javier Barcelos to the chair, please.
I'm not familiar with Cody. I got to move to Arizona. Man, you can't even get a $5 footlong anymore. You can't even get a combo for $5 anymore. $5. Got him. What was his
Your
name?
Honor.
1 second.
Yes.
My city. Damn, somebody give him $5. Make you holla. What state is that? Arizona. Amish guy. Hey, thank you for the follow, Raiderette, Dre. I can pay online. Farmer John is back. Yeah. What is he wearing? Plot twist: the judge ends up lending him the $5. Let me see. His horse and buggy were going over the speed limit. I'm trying not to be mean. We're not being mean. You too much.
All right, sir. I'm checking your records. You did come here and you self-surrendered. Not everyone does that. And so here's what we're going to do. Sir, your next court date is going to be April 16th. Still April 16th on both matters in the downtown Superior Court. Sir, I'm going to release you on your own recognizance as to both matters. If once you're out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, though, if you once you're out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Do you understand these conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you promise to follow these conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you promise to appear on April 16th in the downtown Superior Court?
Yes.
Do you understand if you fail to appear, a warrant will issue for your arrest as to both matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
Upon defendant's promise to appear, I will be releasing him on his own recognizance as to both of his probation violation matters. You're going to get new paperwork. If you want to just wait over there by the door, they'll hand you new paperwork.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
She got a break today.
Javier Barcelos to the podium.
With his overalls.
Eric McKinley to the chair, please.
Hey, you know what? There was this one time, one person that didn't want to promise. Translator, we got a Timu. We got the Timu.
Hi, is the interpreter on the line?
Damn.
Yes, sir.
So good.
Thank you. I'll be speaking with the defendant now. Sir, would you please state your full name and date of birth?
K&D, thank you for subscribing.
El
Appreciate it.
señor me puede dar su nombre completo y fecha de nacimiento.
Ok, mi nombre es Javier Carías y mi fecha de nacimiento es el 2001.
¿Y este güey qué trae? What's up with this?
My name is Javier Carías, date of birth 2001.
Month and day, please.
Thank you.
Del 2001.
¿Cuál es el mes y el día que nació, por favor?
29 de junio del 2001.
June 29, 2001.
Thank you.
He's not going to do
Thank
good in
you.
jail.
You are here on a new case in the Superior Court.
Thank you.
Gracias. Usted está aquí en un caso nuevo de parte de la Corte Superior.
You have been arrested for criminal trespass, a Class 6 felony.
What up, Tonka?
Usted fue arrestado por traspaso, que es una clase 6 de delito.
I have found legal cause to hold you. And I am assigning you an attorney.
Encontré causa legal para tenerlo retenido y le voy a asignar un abogado.
Your next court dates are April 24 and April 28th in the downtown Superior Court.
Arizona, Maricopa County.
Su próxima fecha de corte va a ser en abril 24, en abril 28, en la corte del downtown.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today.
Si usted se promete presentarse, lo puedo liberar el día de hoy.
But there are some conditions to your release.
Pero van a haber condiciones en su liberación.
You will be placed on supervised release, and you may not return to the scene of the crime.
Va a ser liberado bajo supervisión de liberación y no puede regresar a la escena del crimen.
No, these are job interviews we're doing right
You
now.
may have no contact with the woman that you were arrested with.
Oh.
Usted no puede tener contacto con la mujer con la cual usted fue arrestado.
You may not possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
No puede poseer armas, drogas o
How
alcohol.
are you doing for the job interview?
Do you understand all of these conditions?
¿Entendió usted a todas esas condiciones?
Yeah.
He said,
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sí, no.
Yeah.
You wrong.
Yeah.
Sí.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
¿Usted promete seguir todas esas condiciones?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you promise to appear on April 24th and April 28th in the downtown court?
¿Usted promete presentarse en las cortes en el downtown en abril 24 y abril 28?
Yeah.
What up, Molly? Hey, I dropped your stickers in the mail. So hopefully the mailman picks it up.
And do you understand if you fail to appear, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
¿Usted sabe si usted falla en aparecerse, se le va a dar una orden de arresto?
At CollectCallFrom, right here.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Upon defendant's promise to appear, I'll be releasing him to pretrial supervision.
Como la persona defendiente prometió que se va a aparecer en la corte, le voy a dar liberación con supervisión de liberación.
Sir, it's your responsibility to call pretrial services during normal business hours once you're released.
Una vez que usted sea liberado, es su responsabilidad de llamar a los servicios de preaudición.
If you fail to call them, you could end up back in court.
Si usted falla en llamarlos a ellos, usted puede regresar a la corte.
Do you understand?
¿Entiende?
Yeah.
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 Okay, thank you. Please step to your left for your
Well,
paperwork.
this is the last court of the night, the 11 p.m. Right now in
Gracias, por
Arizona,
favor, hágase a la izquierda y agarre sus papeles.
it's 11:38 at night. The next one is going to be at 5
Thank you, Mr. Interpreter.
You're welcome. Anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
Thank you for calling Iron Bridge for your language needs.
I have to call one warrant, please.
Hey, because crime don't stop. Crime happens all day, every day. Okay, cool. Is this your CA somewhere? I'll take 5, if you will. So, if you want my Cash App information, it's on my profile. It's at CollectCallFrom with the little money, with the little dollar sign. I also got it on my profile. You know, if you do send it on over, let me know. Send me a message with your address, and I'll go to mail them out first thing tomorrow. So it's not pre-recorded, right, Molly? Count me in. All right. Let me see. Blow that candle and slice out. I don't know. Is it over? I don't think it's over. Is it over? He didn't say it's over. It ain't over till you know the what sings.
All right, I'll try and send it over to him. Sure they take care.
One more, he said. He needs another interpreter, I think. Right, Christina. One more. Hey, have you guys checked out that video?
Mr. McKinley, please.
Have you guys checked out that prison release video I just uploaded to my main account of Jeremiah?
Sir, can I please get your full name and date of birth?
Eric Keith McKinley, 7/19/1985.
Thank you. You are here on a fugitive of justice warrant. Looks like
he ain't going nowhere.
It's also known as an extradition warrant. Looks like Las Vegas, state of Nevada, would like you back.
No way, yup, it's that.
So at this time, what I'm informing you is that you have a $1 million cash bond.
$1 million?
And sir, you currently have an extradition hearing set for April 21st here in Arizona. Sir, did you have a chance to read that big white card?
Yes, sir.
And did you generally understand what was on the big white card, or do you want me to lay it out for you?
I appreciate it if you could.
Sure thing. So, sir, that big white card lays out 3 of the major rights that you have in an extradition hearing to another state. First of all, it entitles you to a hearing, and so that hearing is currently set for April 21 here in Arizona.
Right, Pax?
Your right number 2 is you have a right to hire your own attorney. You don't get a free attorney because this is actually a civil hearing. But if you want to hire your own attorney, you can go ahead and do that. The other thing, too, is if you have your hearing, there's usually a public defender who's sitting there, but he can help out with general questions, but they're not your personal attorney. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third thing is you have a right after the hearing for the governor of Arizona and the governor of Nevada to both write warrants to get you out of here. And then that'll officially get you out from Arizona back to Nevada. That whole process should take about 60 to 90 days after your hearing. So that's basically what that big white card says. So here's what happens, though. You can choose to give up those 3 kind of fundamental rights under extradition. If you choose to do that, then the state of Nevada has 30 days to come. You're going to be held non-bondable. State of Nevada has 30 days to come get you. If they don't come get you, you are released from custody if they do not come get you within those 30 days. That also assumes, though, that you got nothing else going on in the state of Arizona.
Yes.
So I guess that's the first question I typically ask folks. Do you have something else going on here in Arizona?
No, sir.
Okay.
Not anymore.
So your 2 choices are you have a $1 million cash bond right now, and then you can have your hearing on April 21. And if you end up getting extradited after April 21, then the governors will write their warrants to have you extradited in 60 to 90 days, and that's after April 21. Or if you choose to waive your hearing or give up your hearing, you're going to be held non-bondable. So you're going to be in custody. There's no amount of money that can bond you out. But the state of Nevada will have 30 days to come get you. And again, that is assuming that what you're telling me is true, that they got nothing else going on here in Arizona.
Yes, sir.
So given those 2 choices, do you have an idea of what you'd like to do? Would you like to have your hearing, or would you like to give up your hearing?
Give up the hearing.
Okay.
You said $1 million cash, right?
It's $1 million cash bond, correct.
No, I don't mean it there. But now I give up the hearing. Yes, sir, wait.
I also will warn you that
Yep, that is correct, Mrs. P. I'll have to go to YT. He got a mean charge.
if this happens sometimes, if Nevada doesn't come get you in 30 days, if it's like day 29, they could send another warrant to extend it in case if they can't come get you in 30. Sometimes they put out another warrant to have you rearrested on day 30. That happens too sometimes. I just need to let you know about that as well. I don't know how often that happens because I that happens after I let people do their thing. But knowing that, you still want to go ahead and take your chances and waive your hearing?
Yes, sir. I think it'll be the same thing, trying to make $1 million cash bond.
Okay.
It'll be sitting.
Sure thing, sir. So I will have to go through, I have to ask you some questions. So, sir, were you given a big white card explaining your rights to an extradition hearing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so did you have a chance to read that big white card?
Yes, I did.
Did you hear me explain to you your right to a fugitive from justice hearing that was originally set for April 21?
Yes.
And you choose to give up that right to a hearing?
Mm-hmm.
I need to hear yes or no.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Sir, did I explain to you your right to hire your own counsel?
Yes, sir.
And you choose to give up your right to hire your own counsel?
Yes, sir.
Do you also hear about the right to have the governor of Arizona and the governor of Nevada both write warrants to have you extradited within 60 to 90 days after your extradition hearing?
Yes, sir.
Are you giving up that right to have both governors sign their warrants to have you extradited?
Yes, sir.
And sir, at this time, do you choose to give up your rights to have this extradition hearing?
Yes, sir. I do.
Did anyone threaten you, coerce you? Did anyone threaten you, force you, or coerce you into giving up these rights?
No, sir.
And sir, have you taken any substances, or is there anything that's affecting your decision making today that would affect your decision in giving up these rights?
No, sir.
Have you not taken any medications you're supposed to take that's affecting your right to give up these rights?
No, sir.
Upon hearing from the defendant, he is knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently waiving his right to an extradition hearing. So, sir, at this point, I'm finding that you waived extradition. The state of Nevada will have 30 days to come get you. If they do not come get you, then you should be released, unless in the off chance what I explained to you before,
Right.
is if they can't come get you in time, sometimes they'll put out another warrant to have you rearrested. All right, sir. You're gonna have paperwork printed, and if you want to wait over. Oh, that's right. Actually, come up here, please, and sign
Keith
paperwork.
McKinney.
Thank you.
Keith McKinney is his name. Let me look him up really quick. Hey, thank you for posting that up, Stephen. Appreciate that.
There's one person I have to visit back at their cell, Diego Nelson, date of birth 2/25/1975, is here on a Superior Court new case, arrested for burglary in the 3rd degree, Class 4 felony, aggravated assault, a Class 5 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel. His next court dates are April 15th and April 17th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $10,000. If he's able to bond out, he'll be placed on pretrial services release. Not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If after visiting him back at his cell, if I'm to make any changes to these release conditions, I will come back on the record to make those changes. This again is as to number 5, Mr. Diego Nelson.
All right, I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. Oh, M for oh, it looks like he had a M that you're saying he's in that $1 million warrant was for a red rum, right, Stephen?
Will you please clear the courtroom for Mr. Pierce?
Hey, this is gonna be bad. If you ever had trauma or don't like to hear crazy things, maybe interaction with pets or whatever, or something worse, this is probably a good time for you to leave, because it's probably gonna be bad. You've been warned. Don't come crying to me till you can't sleep at night.
Sir, could I please have your name and date of birth?
Adam Pierce, September 2nd, 1990.
Thank you. You are here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for molestation of a child, a Class 2 felony. This offense was alleged to have occurred back on December of 2020. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you counsel. Your next court dates are April 15th and April 17th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a cash bond of $150,000. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services release, fitted with an electronic ankle monitor. Furthermore, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, not to initiate contact with any victim or witness, no contact with any minors. You're prohibited from accessing the internet through any electronic means. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
I didn't catch his name.
No.
All right, thank you. Want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir?
Did anybody catch his name? So Keith, the guy that had the $1 million bail, he was on the run for a hot one. He unalived somebody, allegedly. I don't know his first name. At least Adam Pierce. Thank you, Irene. Highly appreciate that. Adam Pierce. Let me see. Those are the people that belong in Yup. It's a one-way ticket, or HELL, if you will. Why is he's getting bond? Yeah, that's how messed up the system is. Those individuals should definitely not be out and running loose amongst the public.
Can we please bring in, have at the chair or the last minute add-on, Mr.
We got another one?
Brian Frias Torres.
Torres, he's in a safe cell.
Oh, he's a house call?
Yeah.
Okay, let me, all right, I will finish that up and I'll put him on the record. Okay, thank you. Is he LEP?
It didn't indicate on his card that he's LEP.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not sure. I think she said that it was a house call, so we'll see right now. We'll get confirmation right now. But while we wait right now, if you guys could do me a favor, if you guys are on the smaller channel, if you guys could go to check out my bigger channel at CollectCallFrom right here on TT. I uploaded a video. If you guys could go ahead and check out that video, it was a release from prison, from the California Department of Corrections. If you guys could go ahead and drop some comments on it or repost it, I would highly appreciate it, if you will. Is the last video I uploaded on that account. I will sure. Thank you. What is it? Sorry. Follow. Hey, Marie, thank you for the follow. Good night, brother. Is it good night, brother, or good night, brother? You tell me. What is that count? That count is at CollectCallFrom. So it's similar to the one you're on right now. It's just at CollectCallFrom, like this. Just brother. All right, brother. Hope I got that down right. Without the white tee. Thank you, 20 Moon Stone. Damn. I really appreciate that. All right, now, so we're just waiting right now. So just to give you guys a heads up, this is, I need a t-shirt. Hey, I'm waiting for the rest of the stuff to come in. I got you. Don't trip. So this is going to be the last court of the night. This is the 11 o'clock court in Maricopa County. The next one's going to be at 5 a.m., but that one I normally don't stream on TT. I normally stream that one on YT. Why? Because I'm going to be sleeping. I normally don't jump on until the 8 o'clock one, or unless I'm doing... send me a message, Veronica, if you will. Carnal. Oh, yeah. Hey, 1987_me, period, me. Thank you for the follow. Jaden, thank you for the follow. You're welcome. Marcos, don't mess around. Man, he be typing all angry. Yeah, I'm late to wake up. I work late. That makes two of us. Let me see, how much will a sticker be to get to Australia? It'll be $2 US.
There's a last minute add-on, number 3039. Brian Torres, date of birth 11/30/1995, is here on a Superior Court new case. Arrested for one count of... Oh, no, I'm sorry, hold on.
Hold up. Something's wrong. My kid just woke up. He missed it. He took somebody's life, I believe, allegedly. Gail coming in from Great Britain, if you will.
Okay, he's been arrested for one count of aggravated assault, a class 4 felony, one count of resisting arrest, class 6 felony, 2 counts of assault, class 1 misdemeanor, 1 count of disorderly conduct, a class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel. His next court dates are April 15th and April 17th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a security appearance bond of $1,000. If he's able to bond out, pretrial services released with the electronic monitoring, not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, must follow any orders of protection, may not reside with any alleged victim or witness. Mr. Torres, I have to see him back at his cell. He poses a risk of harm to himself. After visiting him back at his cell, if I have to make any changes to these release conditions, I will come back on the record to make those changes. This concludes the 11 p.m. calendar.
What? Did he just say 11 p.m.? No, that can't be right. Nobody holds court at 11 p.m. Or do they? Hey, from Alaska. Been watching a bit or original San. Hey, thank you, San Antonio. Hey, thank you, Heather. Highly appreciate you tuning in. Morning from the UK. What's up, Gil? How's it going? Gil, love watching so much. Hey, appreciate you guys, everybody, especially you guys from Great Britain, the UK, Australia, Europe, the US, anywhere and everywhere. Appreciate all of you guys. Hell yeah. So let me see here. It's a wrap. Good night. Hey, buenas noches, Christina. Blow that blow the candle. That's right. Just purchased an auto renewal. Hey, thank you, ADHD, for buying that subscription. Not required, but highly appreciated. Laughing my A off. Remember the Gen X nights courts? Good night, if you will. Good night. Good night. Hey, everybody. Hey, Sancho and everybody. You guys have a good night, man. I appreciate you guys. What's up, Jamie? Coming in from Scotland. Good night. Thanks for streaming. Hey, you're welcome. Leslie, hey, thank you for the follow. And hey, remember, hit that follow button. It's free 99. Doesn't cost you anything. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck, if you will. 4 and 6 chick. Hey, have a good night. Stephen Ray. Hey, have a good night. Emily Melendez. Pax. All you guys. Let me see. The McKinney guy warrant is for carrying concealed firearm. That's it. What? Nah, it can't be. That's way too much for that type of crime. Especially since you could carry those type of weapons out here in the state of Nevada, if you will. Let me see. First time here was cool to watch. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, good night, country girl. Jamie, hey, thank you for that heart. I highly appreciate it. Let me see. All right. So everybody, hey, if I didn't say your name, my apologies. I'll catch you on the rebound, if you will. Good night. Thank you for everything, James. Hey, you're welcome, Matt. Hey, so tomorrow, just to give you a heads up, I'm only gonna be on in the morning. Hey, ADHD, that's right. Dropping the agua. Let's go ahead and do a water. Drop one, flush one for good measure. Wasn't his? I think his name wasn't it Keith McKinney? Or I'm sorry, McKinley. I think. Hold up. Or was it Eric? Sheen Gators. I'm confused now. More than confused. It's Keith. They said Keith. They'll rewind. Yeah, all right. I'll take your word for it. Anyhow, hey, great time for people watching. Thank you. That's his middle name. Eric Keith. Oh, okay. Well, we'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure we'll have more news tomorrow. I'm sure you guys will figure it out and let me know. Keep me updated. Let me see. We love watching the parole boards with James. They get hella mad. Love you, Jay. Hey, man, I love you guys, man. Hey, I'm here for you guys. Hey, if you guys weren't here, I wouldn't be here. So, I'm glad you guys are interested in watching these type of streams, and it gives me something to do. Good night. Hey, you guys have a good night. And like I said around here, hey, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it lights out. And with that, we are out. Rato, and don't forget to go ahead and check that video that I just uploaded on the other account. I did rewind it, laughing out loud. All right, very interesting and eye-opening from New Zealand. Hey, if you ever come to the U.S., proceed with caution because they'll try to throw you in the big house for no reason, if you will. All right, and with that, I'm out. You guys have a good night. If it's nighttime for you, if it's daytime, have a good day. And if you're somewhere that's in between, I don't know what to tell you. All right, guys, and then this one I'm gonna leave it up, and then I'll leave it up for the 5 a.m. one, and then I'll go ahead and cut it in the morning and set another one up for the 8. All right, you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
All rise.
Thank you. Please be seated. This is the 5 a.m. calendar on April 10th, 2025. Orders are given on the first of the month regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders remain in effect today. What that means for you in the courtroom is this: not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders are going to be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you are going to get an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded, so please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney. Second thing, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions. Unfortunately, I'm not your legal counsel. I can't answer legal questions for you, so please save your legal questions for your attorney. Finally, you're going to be hearing lots of different dates, and you're going to be hearing about different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork, but that's why it's important to keep your paperwork and not lose it. If you end up missing a court date or not following a written court order, you could just end up back here. Here's how the morning is going to work. I'm going to call two names. First name I'm going to call is going to come into the courtroom and stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is going to sit on the chair next to the door. And then we're going to keep on cycling through until the calendar is finished. Could I please get Angela Malone to the podium? Raymond Fancher to the chair, please. Hi, name and date of birth, please.
December 11th, 1972.
Name, please.
Angela Malone.
Thank you. You are here on two matters, a failure to appear warrant and a Superior Court arrest warrant. Let me talk to you about your new case. You've been arrested for criminal trespass, a Class 6 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you counsel. Your next court dates are April 16th, 17th, and 18th in the Downtown Superior Court. Because it's been alleged that you committed this offense while you were on release for your other offense, you're going to be held non-bondable at this time. Ma'am, for your failure to appear warrant, I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date on that's April 15th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's a $350 secured appearance bond. But ma'am, please don't try to pay that bond because you're going to be held non-bondable and you won't get credit for time served.
Okay.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Raymond Fancher to the podium. Jose Rodriguez to the chair, please. Sir, could you please lower your mask just for this? Thank you. Name and date of birth, please.
Ramon Fancher, 9/30/1993.
Thank you. Apologize for mispronouncing your first name. Sir, you're here on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be April 16th in the Downtown Superior Court. Sir, appears that you were extradited from the state of Georgia. This time you're going to be held non-bondable at this time due to an allegation of a violation of your probation. So you see your probation violation judge on April 16th. Thank you. Please step to your left. Jose Rodriguez to the podium. Jamari Williams to the chair, please. Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Jose Rodriguez, January 7th, 1997.
Thank you. You are here on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 16th. April 16th in the downtown Superior Court. Sir, it appears you were extradited from San Diego, so at this time you're going to be held non-bondable due to the allegation of violation of your probation. So the next time you'll see a judge, April 16th, will be your probation violation judge.
Okay.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. I have to call one warrant, please. Okay, please get Jamari Williams to the podium. Corey Stein to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Jamari Williams, 5/30/89.
Thank you. You're here today on the Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, class 4 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 16th and April 18th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $15,000. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services supervision. Furthermore, if you bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Yes, sir.
If you would please step to your left for your paperwork. Corey Stein to the podium. Kwame Hughes to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Corey Stein, 9/27/1996.
Thank you. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 16th in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bonds set by your probation violation judge. On the first one, it's a $2,500 secured appearance bond. Next one is a $1,000 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out on both of those charges, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Kwame Hughes to the podium. Shelly Ortega to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Kwame Hughes, 05/10/01.
Thank you. You're here today on the Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for disorderly conduct, class 6 felony, and obstruction of government operations, class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court dates are April 16th and April 18th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $2,000. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're to have no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. You must obey any terms of orders of protection. Most importantly, if you bond out, you may not live with any of the alleged victims, even if you're the owner or renter of the property. You're allowed one civil standby with local law enforcement to return to collect any essential belongings, and you're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a class 6 felony. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Thank you.
Shelly Ortega to the podium. Octavian Germain to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Shelley Lee Ortega, May 2nd, 1973.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for aggravated assault, a class 6 felony. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are April 16th and April 18th in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $1,000. Ma'am, if you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services release. Furthermore, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If you please step to your left for your paperwork. Octavian Germain to the podium. Patrick Solano to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
3/16/97, Stephen Jermaine.
Thank you. You're here today on 3 matters, a Superior Court new case and 2 probation violation warrants. Let me talk to you about your new case. You were arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony, and possession of prescription drugs, a Class 1 misdemeanor. And actually, 1 second here, sir. I'm going to make a change. Reprint, please. Sir, you're arrested for possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony, and possession of prescription drugs, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause on the possession of dangerous drugs and the drug paraphernalia. I have not found probable cause on the possession of prescription drugs at this time. I'm letting you know, though, that just because I don't find probable cause doesn't mean the prosecutor's office might not find it later. So it doesn't mean that it's going away forever necessarily. I'm just not considering it today, okay? So, sir, I am assigning counsel. Your next court dates are April 16th and April 18th in the Downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $250. And then you have your 2 probation violation warrants. I am assigning counsel. Your next court date's April 16th in the Downtown Superior Court. Each of those also has a $250 secured appearance bond, so it's a total $750 secured. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Want to please get your paperwork? Thank you.
Have a seat in the front row.
Patrick Solano to the podium. Jordy Gacciola to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Patrick David Solano, 12/6/65.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date's April 16th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $750 secured appearance bond. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. Jordy Gacciola to the podium. Jose Garcia to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Jordy Lopez on February 19, 2001.
Thank you. You're here today on 3 separate matters, a failure to appear warrant and 2 justice court warrants. Let me talk to you about your failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going back to your original attorney. Your next court date is April 18th in the Downtown Superior Court.
Okay.
I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's a $300 secured appearance bond. And then you have 2 justice court warrants. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date on both of them, April 15th at the University Lakes Justice Court. I'm affirming both of the bonds set by the judge out there, $100 on each of those.
Okay.
So grand total, $500 secured appearance bond on all 3 of your cases. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
All right.
If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork.
Thank you.
Jose Garcia to the podium. Jesse Alvarado to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Jose Garcia, 12/20/59.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I am assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is April 16th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $350 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your probation officer within 3 days.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. Jesse Alvarado to the podium. Gabrielle During to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
September 2nd, 1979, Jesse Alvarado.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. Technically, it's a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you counsel. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date's April 16th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $250 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your probation officer within 3 days. Want to please step to your left?
So am I going back to jail or?
You have to pay $250 to get out.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir. Gabrielle During to the podium. Joseph Chamberlain to the chair, please. Name and date of birth, please.
Gabrielle During, August 8th, 1983.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original counsel. Your next court date's April 16th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's a $250 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're just not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Wait. Your Honor, I'm a little confused. So I'm going to jail or am I getting released?
No, you're staying in unless you can pay $250.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's not $250 cash, so it's a percentage of that, and then the bond company will pay the rest, unless you can find someone to bond you out for $250, and then you just pay them back.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please step to your left. Joseph Chamberlain to the podium. Yuli Vigueras to the chair, please. Hi, sir. Name and date of birth?
Joseph Chamberlain, 8/24/71.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I have found probable cause, and I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are April 24th and April 28th in the Downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'm going to be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release, sir.
Okay.
Once you're out, you're just not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Okay.
Do you understand those conditions?
Yes.
And you promise to follow those conditions?
Yes.
And sir, do you promise to appear on April 24th and April 28th in the Downtown Superior Court?
Yes.
All right, sir. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you on your own recognizance.
Okay. Thank you.
Want to please step to your left, sir? Yuli Vigueras to the podium. Ma'am, do you need an interpreter?
Sí, por favor.
Hello?
Hi, is the interpreter on the line?
Is there somebody on the line? Can you hear me?
Hi, can you hear me?
I cannot hear you.
Hi, can you hear me now? Hello, can you hear me now? Hi, is the interpreter on the line?
Yes, sir. Sorry, this is the Spanish interpreter. ID number 201372. I will be assisting you and follow your instructions, Your Honor.
Thank you. I'll be speaking to the defendant now. Ma'am, could you please say your full name and date of birth?
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo y su fecha de nacimiento.
Julie de Gante Vigueras, 25 del 89.
2589, Julie de Gante Riveras.
Thank you. You are here on a new case in the Superior Court.
Gracias. Se encuentra aquí usted en un nuevo caso dentro del Tribunal Superior de la Corte.
You have been arrested for one count of illegal control of a business, a Class 3 felony.
Usted ha sido arrestada por control ilegal de un costo de un negocio, una felonía de clase 3.
And 8 counts of trafficking in stolen property, a Class 3 felony.
Y 8 cuentas de tráfico y de propiedad robada, lo cual es una felonía de la clase 3.
I have found probable cause to hold you, and I am assigning you an attorney.
Encontré causa probable para detenerla a usted y le estoy asignando un abogado.
Your next court dates are April 16 and April 18 in the downtown court.
Sus siguientes fechas del Tribunal de la Corte serán el 16 de abril y el 18 de abril en la Corte del Centro.
I'm setting a cash bond of $40,000.
Estoy poniendo una fianza de efectivo por $40,000.
If you are able to pay that bond and are released, you will be on supervised release with an electronic ankle monitor.
Si usted logra pagar esta fianza y la ponen en libertad, estará usted bajo libertad supervisada con un monitor en el tobillo.
Also, if you are released, you are to have no contact with any witnesses and no contact with your co-defendant husband.
Igualmente, si a usted la ponen en libertad, no deberá tener ningún contacto con ningún testigo ni con su esposo, el co-defendiente.
Also, you may not possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Igualmente, no puede tener usted posesión de ningún arma, drogas ni alcohol.
Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Por favor, pase a su izquierda para su papeleo.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Interpreter.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's a pleasure and wish everyone a great day. Thanks for using our service.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I please get Mr. DeVault? Yes, please. Sir, name and date of birth, please.
6/29/73.
Full name, please.
Andrew Edward DeVault.
Thank you. You are here on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for 10 counts of sexual exploitation of a minor, Class 2 felonies. Sir, based upon the statement that was written by law enforcement, I am only finding probable cause for 5 counts of sexual exploitation of a minor, Class 2 felonies. I have not found probable cause on the additional 5 counts. I am assigning you counsel. Your next court dates are April 16th and April 18th in the Downtown Superior Court. I understand you want to hire your own attorney, so although I'm assigning you counsel, you do not have to use him if you hire your own. Do you understand that?
Okay, so I don't need an attorney?
It's up to you. I mean, I'm assigning one to you, but if you want to hire one on your own, you can. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I honestly don't know what to do here.
Sir, at this time, after reviewing all the evidence, I'm setting a cash bond of $250,000. If you're able to post that bond, you'll be placed on pretrial services release. You'll be fitted with an electronic ankle monitor.
Okay.
Furthermore, if you're able to post bond, you are not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victims or witnesses. You're going to have no contact with any minors. You are prohibited from accessing the internet through any electronic means. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. And if you own any passports, you must surrender all passports at your next court date.
Okay, I'm sorry about the first one you said about staying home or something. I forget. You're going to appoint me an attorney?
Correct.
And that entails
nothing. You will meet your attorney on your next court date of April 16th.
Okay. So what do I do now?
You'll remain in custody unless you can post bond of $250,000 cash.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork. For the last two individuals, I'll be visiting them back at their cell. They pose a risk of harm to themselves or to others. Jesus Montoya, date of birth 5/20/1991, is here on the Superior Court new case. Arrested for aggravated assault, a Class 3 felony, resisting arrest, Class 6 felony, disorderly conduct, Class 6 felony. Have found probable cause. I'm assigned counsel. Next court date is April 16th and 18th in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $25,000. If he's able to bond out, he will be placed on pretrial services release with an electronic ankle monitor. Not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. Not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Joshua Henry, date of birth 1/24/93, here on the Superior Court new case. Arrested for burglary, Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. I have found probable causes to the burglary, no probable causes to the drug paraphernalia. I am assigned to counsel. Next court dates are April 16th and April 18th in the Downtown Superior Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $5,000. If he's able to bond out, not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. After visiting these individuals back at their cell, if I'm to make any changes to these release conditions, I will come back on the record to make those changes. This concludes the 5 a.m. calendar.